look at 4 examples on how to convert to different units of measurement. Length measurement. So length will be different to capacity and volume. Now we are working with kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. The rule above will guide you in the test. You need to know this rule. So for question 1a, they want you to convert from 4.5 kilometers or 4.5 kilometers to meters. So what you do on the blank piece of paper that you will be given in the test, you'll write this down here. You'll write 4.5. You know it's in kilometers, you need to convert to meters. So you go to your rule, you check from kilometers to meters. You need to multiply by 1000. So what's going to happen? You'll take your decimal point. I'll use a different color. That is your decimal point. What you will do is you will jump 1, 2, 3 times to your right, 3 times to your right, and then you will strike out the decimal point. You'll take out the comma. After that, you are left with 4,500 meters. That is the correct answer. Next one, millimeters to meters. So you go, you check your rule out. Millimeters to centimeters, not millimeters to meters. You are converting from millimeters to centimeters. So you check millimeters to centimeters. All you're doing is, if you work with in this section here for B, you work with that, you'll see that you need to divide by 10 to convert from millimeters to centimeters. You divide by 10, so your decimal point goes where the unit is at the end, and you will jump to the left. You'll move in the direction which the arrow is going. Remember, I told you in class, whenever you're dividing, you're moving from right to left, and the number will get smaller, but it'll hold the same value. It'll just be in a different unit of measurement. So you will jump once because there is 1 0 in 10. You'll stop there and you strike out 1 0 because there is 1 0 in 10, and you are jumping from right to left. The number will become smaller but still hold the same value. Okay, now you are left with 50 centimeters. Let's look at C. 1C, you have 6.5 kilometers, which is 6 kilometers and 500 meters. They want you to convert it to meters. So all you are doing, you are going to put you'll write down 6,000. You'll write down 6.5 kilometers. Then you look at your decimal where it is. Remember, you are converting from kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters, which means that you need to multiply by 1,000. So 1,000. Then you jump. How many times? You jump 3 times because there are 3 zeros in 1,000. Jump 1, 2, 3. Add your zeros in. That is your final answer. 6,500 meters. The last one, 1D, 200 millimeters converted to centimeters. You check millimeters to centimeters, you divide by 10. So all you're doing, you're taking 200, decimal point goes at the end where the unit is, and you will jump once to your left. From right to left, you always divide. Strike out the 0, you're left with 20. It's 20 centimeters. So 200 millimeters will equal to 20 centimeters. Then you have 4 marks. please use this rule. It is very important, this rule here that is floating. Use that rule and practice. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great evening. We will see you bright and early tomorrow. Thank you.